Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Seat Ateca Xperience. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 18,000 miles and comes with service history from Seat. This particular colour is the Metallic Graphite Grey, and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are half leather on the outer edge. There's an armrest and two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, as well as cruise control there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, the virtual cockpit, and then automatic headlights and wipers, and finally on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents and charging ports there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats too. On the Ateca, opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your your tyre inflator kit there, as well as some extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.